Let's try this problem using U substitution. Let U 1 plus e raised to x, get the derivative of u with respect to x, du e raised to x dx. We can cancel this out. Now, substitute everything into the integral. Integral of square root of u du. We can simplify this integral into the integral of u raised to 1/2 du. Now, we can apply the power rule. A raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1. U raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 is equals to u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Now, get the reciprocal. 2/3 u 3 over 2 plus c. Substitute u 2/3 1 plus e raised to x raised to 3 over 2 plus c.